Hey there, future developers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of Node.js and FTP servers. We'll explore how to securely interact with an FTP server using Node.js to perform a variety of tasks, such as connecting to the server, listing files, downloading files, and even deleting them. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, mastering these operations is crucial for handling file transfers in many web and network applications, especially when dealing with large datasets or files like PDFs that need to be securely moved or processed. Our adventure will start with establishing a secure connection to an FTP server using TLS. TLS, or Transport Layer Security, ensures that our data is encrypted and secure from prying eyes. Once connected, we'll see how to get a list of files stored on the server. This is super handy for when you need to check what's available for download or processing. Next, we'll dive into downloading files. We'll not only fetch a single file, but also explore how to download every file present on the server. This can be particularly useful for batch processing or backups, and because not everything is about hoarding data, we'll also learn how to delete files from the server, keeping things tidy and organized. All of this will be wrapped in a warm blanket of try-catch statements for error handling, because, let's face it, things don't always go as planned. Whether it's a wrong file name or a connection issue, our code will be prepared to handle these situations gracefully. This code is a fantastic tool for automating and managing file transfers in a secure and efficient way, making it a valuable asset in your developer toolkit. Whether you're building a web application that interacts with document archives or automating data backups, understanding how to work with FTP servers can make your life a lot easier. Now let's dive into the code and see how all of this magic happens. Let's break down our Node.js script that interacts with an FTP server over TLS, going through it step by step to ensure you have a thorough understanding of each part and its purpose. Here we start by importing the modules required for our operations. The basic FTP module provides the functionality needed to connect to and interact with an FTP server, including listing, downloading, and deleting files securely over TLS. The FS file system module from Node.js is essential for local file operations, such as writing downloaded files to the disk. These two modules lay the foundation for our FTP operations and local file handling. This function establishes a secure connection to the FTP server using the credentials provided: host, username, password. By setting secure, true, we ensure the connection is over TLS, protecting our data in transit. Verbose logging is enabled for debugging, providing detailed information about the connection process. The try-catch block is crucial for error handling, allowing us to catch and log any issues that occur during connection setup. Upon a successful connection, the function returns the client object, which we'll use for subsequent FTP operations. This function takes the connected FTP client as an argument and uses it to list the files on the server. The client.list method retrieves detailed information about each file, which we log to the console. We then map over this list to extract and return just the file names, making it easier to work with the file list in subsequent operations. Error handling is again implemented to catch and handle any issues encountered during this process. Here, we define a function to download a single file from the FTP server. The file is specified by its name, and we construct a local path where the file will be saved. Using client.download_to, we then download the file to the specified location. This function showcases how to retrieve individual files from the server, which is useful for targeted operations on specific data. This function demonstrates how to download every file from the FTP server. It first retrieves a list of files using our previously defined listFiles function. Then, for each file, it determines a local storage path and downloads the file there. This approach is ideal for bulk operations, such as backing up an entire directory from the server. Finally, we have a function for deleting a file from the FTP server. By specifying the file name, we can remove it from the server using client.remove. This function is particularly useful for managing server storage and ensuring that only necessary files are kept. Each step of this tutorial has taken you through the process of interacting with an FTP server using Node.js, from connecting securely, listing files, handling file downloads, both individually and in bulk, to deleting files. The consistent use of try-catch blocks for error handling ensures our script is robust and can gracefully handle any issues encountered during operation. This comprehensive approach to FTP operations in Node.js equips you with the knowledge to build efficient and secure file management scripts for your applications. As we wrap up our exploration of FTP operations using Node.js, it's crucial to consider how these pieces of code can serve as building blocks in larger applications. Whether you're developing a content management system, a backup solution, or a document processing platform, the ability to securely connect to, list, download, and manage files on an FTP server is invaluable. This code, while functional and comprehensive in its current form, is designed with extensibility in mind. It can be modified, extended, and integrated into various web development projects, showcasing the power and versatility of JavaScript technologies. In the context of web development, efficiency is key. Our approach leverages async await for handling asynchronous operations, ensuring that our application remains responsive while performing network-intensive tasks. This is particularly important in web applications where user experience can be significantly impacted by the performance of back-end operations. Furthermore, the modular design of the code promotes reusability. Functions like connecting to an FTP server or downloading files can be easily reused across different parts of an application, or even in different projects, saving time and reducing the likelihood of bugs by reusing well-tested components. Consider the possibilities when integrating this FTP functionality with modern web technologies. For example, a Node.js backend could fetch files from an FTP server, process them, and serve them through a RESTful API or WebSocket to a React or Vue.js front end, creating a seamless, real-time user experience. The use of TLS for secure connections also aligns with best practices for web security, ensuring that data transferred between the server and clients is encrypted. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Thanks again, and remember, we're always learning, so keep coding, keep exploring, and keep building amazing web applications.